Hello and welcome to another episode by CDBTC. Well, guys, it's been a while since I've recorded a video, but I decided to record one because we're definitely having a really ugly day in crypto, and I think it's just gonna get uglier. I really hope that you haven't been hodling these past few weeks, because if you have, you've probably have lost a lot of money. I don't know, the hodling concept. What do I think of it? When I first got into crypto, I thought it was interesting, and I was so convinced that it was the way to go. But why was that? Because when I came into crypto, I bought Bitcoin all the way over here, when Bitcoin cost about $2,500, and that was already a lot. But I could hold because Bitcoin just kept going up. But if you bought or you got into crypto somewhere around here, holding or hodling is just stupid. Guys, don't hodl just for hodling, okay? You're not doing yourself a favor. So what's going on in the crypto market? Look, I think that this is the lowest market cap we've seen in over 4 months, $293 billion. But what's even worse, and that's if you're hodling altcoins. If you're in altcoins, oh my God, I really wish you got out at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, if not earlier. But look, we're at 293. Last time we were at around that level, 293, was in November, end of November, before the run-up. So you say, oh, it's not that bad. We're back at November levels. But look, I was going on with the market without Bitcoin. So without Bitcoin, 164 billion. That is super low. Wow. It's been a while since I've seen it at that level. And yeah, it's right around December, before everything started moving up. What about Bitcoin dominance? Look, up to 44%. And which are the coins that are losing? Everything else, all the other altcoins, except Ethereum, which is kind of holding on to its percentage, and Ripple, and Bitcoin Cash. But all the rest of the altcoins are losing. So if you're holding on to altcoins, and it's gonna get worse, okay? And it doesn't look good for Bitcoin right now. Look, there's really no support in this area, and good news is not coming. Good news is not around the corner. Look at what's around the corner. The G20, the first meeting of finance ministers and central bank governors are going to be meeting in Buenos Aires, Argentina, on Monday. Let's see, the 19th. Yes, Monday. So Monday 19th through the 20th, these guys are going to be meeting. These guys are the ones that run the show in most of the countries, the central banks. They are going to be discussing cryptocurrencies. Look, just Google this. First meeting of finance ministers and central bank governors and cryptocurrency. And there's a lot of news. Bankers and finance ministers to meet at the crypto G20. And they're calling it the crypto G20. Because on the agenda are cryptocurrencies. Or as some bankers now started calling them. I think it's a crypto asset, something like that. And look, they're going to be talking about how to regulate and safeguard the public. They want to protect us. That's bullshit. They don't want to protect us. They want to protect the banks. And guess what they're gonna be doing? They're not gonna be saying, oh, look at those nice cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum and all those. Let's just let them be. I don't think it's gonna be that easy. So I'm expecting bad news on Monday and Tuesday. And guess what that is going to do to Bitcoin? That is just gonna hurt it even more. So there's a big chance that this could drop. Okay, and since it's dropping and we have to make money, I'm trying BitMEX out now, and I've been trying it out for the past 4 days, but I was afraid of using it because I've heard a lot of stories of what can go wrong. But I've been trying it. I started using 5x leverage. I'm using 10x right now, and today has been very good for me. Even though Bitcoin's been declining, I'm gonna try to make money off right now. So I entered Bitcoin. I entered my short. I'm shorting Bitcoin. I thought I was never gonna do this because when I got into this, I was very naive and I thought like Bitcoin's gonna go up every day all the time, but no, it comes down, and it's gonna come down hard right now. So what I didn't know is that you can make money going up, and you can also make money when it's going down. And since it's going down, I said, why not? Let's make money. So I've been shorting Bitcoin the past few days, and today my evaluation told me that it was going to go down, so I entered at this price. And look, you can see I entered right here where this line is, and Bitcoin price has decreased. So that means that I'm making money. I'm at 27, well, 30%. It's jumping between 27 and 30%. Oh, that's me. I'm doing that. Oh, so if I exit right now, I'd be exiting at 30. So let's do that. I'm going to close at market price. I'm going to close my position. I'm using $2,500. Leveraged at 10x. I really only had $240 in, but this is interesting. And I just closed my position, and I'm going to evaluate how I think that this is going to behave, and maybe I'm going to put in another short. So guys, there's, even though we're in the red, the market's in the red, I'm not in the red, but even though the market's in the red, there's still money to be made. Okay, you just got to be smart and choose what you're gonna get into. But right now, altcoins, I would have exited a while back. If you haven't exited, I don't know, it's difficult at this point to say whether you should exit or not, but if you did, don't buy right now. I think that we could go even lower. Look, I almost bought Silica yesterday, and it was at 4 cents, and I said no, don't do it. You know Bitcoin's gonna go down, and if Bitcoin goes down, it drags everything down with it. So just hold on, and you're gonna get your Silica at a better rate. So I didn't buy, and look, it went down. It was at 4 cents last night. Let's see, one day. Look, it was at 0.043 cents last night. It's at 0.037, so it's cheaper today. But I think that Bitcoin's gonna go down even further, and people are gonna panic, and they're gonna continue to sell. So I'm gonna wait a little bit more to buy my Silica. And look at all these other great projects. And cash, boom, down. So I'm holding off. They continue to go down. Which other ones am I looking at? Oh, my battery is running low, so I better end this video. But guys, stay safe. Stay safe. There's still opportunities in crypto. You just have to be very smart about where you place your money, how you play it, and let's just write this out, and let's wait until the next cycle comes around. Okay. Everyone, have a good night.